it's me Zaiba, and today we are going to be making a flower with paper. But before we start, I'm gonna give you guys a preview of how it's gonna look at the end. But before we start, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out my latest craft videos. Now let's get started. Okay, so this is super easy and simple. All we need is a green construction paper. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to simply fold this paper into half, and now I'm gonna get my scale and I'm gonna mark 2 centimeters on the paper. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's mark 2 centimeters on the paper. Okay, that seems good. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw a line to the point I marked, 2 centimeters. Okay, so I drew a line. So now I'm gonna draw multiple 1 centimeter apart lines. So like this, I'm gonna draw vertical lines of 1 centimeter apart. And the last one. Okay guys, so I am done drawing the line, so it should probably look like this after you do it. And now I got my scissors, so now let's start cutting. Okay, so let's cut. So this is how you gotta cut. You have to cut till the 2 centimeter line that I drew. And when you get to the line, just stop cutting, and that's just how you have to cut. So now let's keep on cutting until we get to the end. So let's cut. Okay, so I'm almost done. Okay, so after cutting all of them, you are gonna end up with something like this. So I hope you all ended up with something like this. So this is how it's going to look. Okay guys, so now with the 2 centimeters at the side, we are gonna stick them together. So let's get my glue, and now I'm gonna stick it together. So I'm gonna put on the glue. So let's put the glue on. Okay, all done. So now I'm going to stick it together. Okay, so now that we have sticked it together, our next step is going to be rolling it up. So we are going to roll it up just like this, and it's gonna look something like this. And then we are going to use the glue and stick it. And now let's stick it. Okie dokie guys, so half of it is already done. So as you can see, this is how it's looking. And now our next step is to spread the leaves. So we are gonna spread them just like how I'm doing over here. Just pull them down and just keep it for a while, and you can automatically spread it. And now that we have this done, all we need to do is make a flower and stick on this. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna teach you how to make a flower. So all you need is a 6x6 square construction paper. Okay, so now you are going to turn the square into a triangle. And now we are gonna turn this triangle into a smaller triangle, just like this. And now I'm going to fold this triangle into an even smaller triangle. So you gotta fold a square paper 3 times to make a triangle. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my pencil to make a petal. You can keep it any size you want. It's totally up to you whether you want your flower big or small. And now I got some scissors. So I'm going to cut the extra parts to make my flower. Okay, so after cutting, you're going to open this. So when I open the paper, I'm gonna get my flower. So this is my flower, and you can now stick a small yellow circle in the middle of the flower to make it look like a flower. So here is my flower. It looks absolutely adorable. And this is how you make a flower. Okay guys, so I have all the flowers with me over here. So I'm going to stick it on the stem and be right back. Oh my god guys, so here is the finished look. This looks absolutely adorable and so cute. I kept it in a plastic glass as it is the flower pot and the flower is right on top of it. So if you like this video, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out any of my future craft videos. And I'll see you all next time. Till then, bye bye.